Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Where do I want sour supplement?
Ay, moringa, anak ko.
Should I get moringa instead?
I'm gonna get one.
Okay. Tapos?
Okay, let's go to the other aisle. Oh, Filipino. Ano yung mga Filipino? Oh, Filipino ice cream. Galing mahal.
Do you like those?
What's
The
that?
meat?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
But
Is it pork?
there's also chicken.
Is
They
it
make
pork?
chicken.
Oh.
Oh, vegan longanisa. Anak, get it.
Where? No,
It's
is
only
it
$5.
vegan?
It says vegan longanisa. Get it,
It's
anak.
pork, Mama. I think that's a... It says pork.
Where?
Vegan is spelled B-E-G-N, not B-I.
Oh, okay.
I think that's the name of-
Oh,
is that-
vegan. Yeah, you're right.
Are you serious?
No, I
Your
thought it's-
language.
I know. I thought he just made a spelling incorrect.
They don't have ube ice cream.
The ice cream is somewhere here.
They don't have ube.
You have to look. They have lychee, sweet dried bean.
Oh, is this it? The cured chicken? Tocino? How do you say it? Tocino?
Tocino.
Tocino?
Oh, you know what? I have
Oh, there's the chicken longas. How do you say it, Mama?
oh, chicken longanisa.
Longanisa?
Like that one.
Do you like it?
I haven't tried it. Yeah, get it and
It doesn't look healthy.
It tastes good. Once in
Yeah,
a while
but
you have to eat it.
I know, but it doesn't look healthy. I'm not trying to have... It's super salty, Mama.
It's not salty though.
I said it looks like it.
Oh, look at that.
I'm okay. I don't want to get stomachache. Okay, let's go. Which aisle are we going to now? This one?
We don't need anything
Oh,
there.
get some of this.
Ay, ambot na kapoy na ako. Oh, it's cold in here. What is that? $9.99. I'm looking for malunggay or what do you call that? Moringa leaves. Wala man frozen. I cannot find a frozen. What is that? They also have dried fish right here, but I don't know how old are these. One time when I bought this one, the one that's a smoked fish, when I cook it, oh, it smells so bad. I just wasted my money because I threw it away. We have basins lang gana din. May mga kuwanan sila. Kompleto sila. Only is they are all expensive. Especially at this time of pandemic. Everything, you know, all the prices doubled. Yeah, this Filipino na. This is the Filipino aisle. Oh, dato puti. Dato puti vinegar.
Mama, I made curry.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, remember saying it was
Yeah,
good?
yes,
It was good.
Oh, okay. So I have to cook the veggies that I bought last week, so it won't go bad. And then we could buy more for kare-kare recipe. Mga Indian, I think these are Indian. Oh, my chicken sopas. Ay, kapo. Huh?
They have those butterscotch cookies here.
I think over there. Look up. I also like this brand, Three Ladies. Kasi somebody mentioned the Three Ladies brand is good, and it is really indeed good. So this is white rice.
Mama, you want one?
So that's one. And these are the clams.
Okay, let's go there.
Oh, may sigarilyo man sila. Oh. They're also selling cigarettes. I like this.
You already
How
have a
much
ton
is
of
that?
bowls.
How much is that?
$3. It's plastic too.
I know it's only cheap in the Philippines or in Japan or Hong Kong or something, or in China. Here it's just plastic. I want glass. Okay, so I'm gonna go here where the rice is, so I could just show them. So these are different kinds of rice, and I like the gani niya, jasmine rice.
So can you do the boiled peanuts, Mama?
Oh, we have to. You okay?
We
Okay.
got it.
How about the fried peanuts? You want me to make?
Do you want? Wait, do it another. That's a lot
Do
of
it-
peanuts. We already have this.
this one.
Go home first.
Okay.
Or do you agree or disagree? You go back out with me or no?
What time is still coming?
I don't know. He said he might.
Oh, he might. Okay. Oh, look at this. I like this one.
How much is this?
What's that for?
Cooking noodles.
Oh, I like that. How much?
14.
14. Oh.
So you just
you
dip
could
it in and then you take it out like this.
Oh, how much is small one?
They come together, I think, Mama. It's two. You get 2 in 1.
Are you gonna buy it for me?
No? Do you want it? $14.
Oh no, it's okay. I already have like mahal.
Alright, tapos.
Okay. I guess we're done.
I'll give you the next time.
Okay. May ligo sila. Oh, very expensive. Oh, $1.99 ang ligo. But of course, if you want to eat, you have to buy it. Oh, it's gonna rain, anak. Oh, let's go home. Oh, it's getting cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Oh, I'm wearing.
I need to put on a jacket. Oh, yeah, look, it's raining over there. Oh, it's raining, Mama.
Oh my God, my bag. Shouldn't be. Watch the cars, anak.
Okay.
Ooh, it's windy. Look at the clouds. It's dark. Wala ng anak ko. You have the key.